In this quick video I will show you how to change language in Brave browser. Let's get a look at it. Once you have the Brave browser opened, click on these three lines in right upper corner area and open settings here. Now on the left find the option languages. Here click on add language and choose the language you want to use in Brave browser. For example, Spanish. Click on add. Now it's here. Click on these three dots and select the option display Brave in this language. Now you have to relaunch the Brave browser, and after a couple of seconds, as you can see, the Brave browser is in Spanish. If you want to change it back, find the option English, three dots, and select the first option to change it back to English. Relaunch, and it's back to English. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you found it helpful. See you next time.